Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create ultra-realistic 3D mini world inside Bubble with big statue of dragon by AI.
Let's watch. Search for Microsoft Bing Images on Google. After entering the website, click on the search option and type ultra-realistic 3D mini world inside Bubble to find images of mountains, trees, rivers, cities, and a big statue of a dragon. Click Create. Follow all tips step by step. After processing is complete, you can find. Feel free to download whichever one you prefer. Editing takes a long time, but AI makes it easier. Finally, I want to tell, always I try to my best to give you better concept about design. If you can see I'm trusted and I give you my creativity, and if you can enjoy my tutorial, or if you can learn something from me, so subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, you will get all updates very easily. Thanks for watching.